Hello dear friends, thank you for following us. In this video, you will see if the new pump of Bitcoin will be the reason for a new alt season. Bitcoin needed a price correction after the ascent and registration of the new ETH, which you have seen in the past days, and these cases were predicted on our Telegram and YouTube channel. In this rally, the price of Ethereum increased as well and traded above $4,000. If you look at the Bitcoin chart, you will see that in this correction, the support acted very well in the zone of $60,000 and the market had a logical correction. Almost most of the altcoins also had a correction process, but in fact already market is in the good situation. Bitcoin traded close to $66,982 high before falling and started its correction. During the falling, support at $65,000 and $63,250 was broken and Bitcoin fell below these levels. According to Newsbeat, the price of Bitcoin also fell below $62,000 and the average 100-hour moving average. Sellers tried to stabilize the price at $60,000 but buyers prevented this from happening at around $59,500. $59,610 was recorded as the bottom of the recent trend. After the increasing in the activity of buyers in the market, the price of Bitcoin reached the levels of $60,500 and $61,000 and crossed the Fibonacci 23.6%. The Fibonacci was formed in the fall from $66,982 to $59,610. $61,000 was another resistance that buyers overcame in the recent run. Currently, despite crossing the $62,000, buyers are trying to stabilize Bitcoin above this level. Stabilizing the price above this resistance can pave the way for further pumps. $63,250 is the next most important resistance on the Bitcoin price chart. This level is close to the 50% Fibonacci level created in the recent fall. As the price of Bitcoin rises, the probability of reaching $64,000 will be increased. After this level, $65,000 will act as a resistance. Bitcoin price analysis. Where are the significant levels of Bitcoin? If Bitcoin fails to cross $63,250, there will be place for decline and correction. In that case, $61,200 would be the first support. $60,000 will be the most important support for Bitcoin. Breaking this support could lead to a fall to the $58,000 support area. Moving Average Convergence Divergence or MACD is rising in the 1-hour timeframe, and the Relative Strength Index RSI is above 50. As mentioned earlier, $61,200 and $60,000 are the most important support for the Bitcoin price. $62,000, $62,500 and $63,250 are also resistances that buyers want to stabilize above. By looking at the Glassnode charts, you will see that the amount of Bitcoins in various exchanges are decreasing and it becomes less and less over time, which indicates that the market is moving towards of holding. There is a greater tendency of not selling currencies, and we expect to see the movement of altcoins after the end of the Bitcoin uptrend and expect a new altcoin season again. It seems that the flagship of this alt season is Solana. As we have already said in various videos, Solana still tends to climb and does not decide to wait for this simplicity. And with a 26% pumped in 2 days, it could be attracting everyone's attention once again. The question is, will Solana really touch $250 target? Solana has grown significantly with the NFT, as well as the sales it has created following the launch of various projects on its platform, and in less than a month it has been able to be in the top 10 currencies of the market. As the market trend rises, we hear a lot of positive news about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. One investment company after another announces entering the cryptocurrency market or increasing more. Peter Thiel, one of the founders of PayPal, said, "I wish I had bought more Bitcoins and did not invest enough in Bitcoin." Of course, they have a lot of Bitcoins and they are wondering why they did not invest more. Of course, when Bitcoin has reached another ATH, everyone would talk like that. But what was the reason for this upward trend? Fear of inflation or ETF? JP Morgan believes that ETF has no effect on the price of Bitcoin and people have come to the market for fear of rising inflation in the United States, but others believe that the news of ETF has increased the fear of inflation and it led to an increase in investment in cryptocurrency, and of course our channel's opinion had already been announced. Thanks for watching this video to the end. What's your opinion about future of Bitcoin? Let us know in the comment. Have a good time. Goodbye.